Welcome, coffee lovers, to a world where your morning brew is more than just a cup of caffeine. It's an experience, a connection, and a whole lot of fun. Today, we're diving into the playful and engaging world of Build Your Wolfpack Coffee, a brand that has mastered the art of creating not just great coffee, but a community that keeps you coming back for more. Through 7 unique aspects of their brand, we'll uncover how Build Your Wolfpack Coffee stands out by blending creativity, community, and purpose. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more inspiring stories. Now, let's explore the magic of this one-of-a-kind coffee brand. Number 1. A bold brand personality that speaks to everyone. What makes Build Your Wolfpack Coffee instantly recognizable is its bold and vibrant personality. The name itself, Build Your Wolfpack, speaks to a sense of unity, individuality, and collective strength. From its lively logo to its dynamic branding, the company takes inspiration from the wild and free spirit of wolves, translating that energy into their coffee products. The brand's motto, "Find your pack, fuel your passion," encourages customers to embrace who they are while building meaningful connections with others. Their edgy and modern design, combined with relatable messaging, speaks to coffee lovers across all walks of life. It's a brand that feels approachable, exciting, and authentic, qualities that customers are drawn to time and again. Number 2. Immersive customer experiences that inspire connection. At the heart of Build Your Wolfpack Coffee is its ability to create immersive experiences that bring people together. Whether it's in their cafes or through their online platforms, the brand's goal is to foster connections and make every interaction memorable. Their flagship stores are designed to be gathering places, with cozy yet creative interiors that encourage conversation and collaboration. The experience goes beyond just grabbing coffee. It's about bonding with your pack and creating shared moments. Online, the brand excels at engagement. From interactive Instagram polls to live coffee tasting sessions, customers are encouraged to participate in fun, community-driven activities. This two-way communication makes every coffee lover feel like an integral part of the Wolfpack. Number 3. Playful and creative marketing strategies. One of the defining features of Build Your Wolfpack Coffee is its playful approach to marketing. The brand knows how to capture attention with quirky campaigns, engaging visuals, and a touch of humor. For example, their seasonal campaigns often include cheeky taglines, creative videos, and limited edition coffee blends with names like Frosty Alpha for winter or Summer Howl for sunny vibes. These campaigns are designed to spark excitement and curiosity, making customers feel like they're part of an ongoing adventure. Their social media presence is equally lively, with memes, behind-the-scenes content, and user-generated posts that keep followers entertained and engaged. This unique marketing style helps Build Your Wolfpack Coffee stand out in a crowded market. Number 4. Personalized experiences for every customer. Build Your Wolfpack Coffee believes that every customer is unique, and they work hard to create personalized experiences that cater to individual tastes and preferences. From customizable drink options to loyalty programs that let customers earn rewards in playful ways, the brand ensures that everyone feels valued. Their mobile app takes personalization to the next level, allowing customers to create their own pack profiles, track their coffee preferences, and receive tailored recommendations. They've also introduced subscription boxes where customers can select blends based on their mood or personality, making the coffee buying experience fun and interactive. This focus on personalization deepens the customer-brand relationship and keeps people coming back for more. Number 5. Unique packaging that delivers more than coffee. The packaging of Build Your Wolfpack Coffee is a testament to its playful and engaging nature. Each coffee blend comes in beautifully designed bags featuring artistic wolf motifs that symbolize strength, unity, and adventure. But the fun doesn't stop there. Many of their packages include interactive elements like QR codes that link to curated playlists, fun coffee trivia, or even behind-the-scenes videos of how the blends are made. The packaging also includes thoughtful notes or motivational messages, making every purchase feel personal and uplifting. By turning a simple coffee bag into an experience, Build Your Wolfpack Coffee ensures that customers feel the joy and creativity behind every product. Number 6. A celebration of community and collaboration. Build Your Wolfpack Coffee thrives on the idea of community and collaboration. Their mission is not just to sell coffee, but to build connections that matter. The brand actively partners with local artists, small businesses, and nonprofits to create collaborative projects that benefit the community. For example, they've worked with local designers to create limited edition merchandise and partnered with charities to support causes like education, environmental conservation, and mental health awareness. These collaborations go beyond marketing. They're about giving back, amplifying voices, and building stronger communities. Customers aren't just buying coffee, they're supporting a movement that values togetherness and collective impact. Number 7. A commitment to sustainability and purpose. While Build Your Wolfpack Coffee is known for its playful and engaging vibe, it's also a brand with a strong sense of responsibility. They're deeply committed to sustainability and making a positive impact on the world. Their coffee beans are ethically sourced from small-scale farmers who use sustainable practices, ensuring that both people and the planet are treated with care. Additionally, the brand uses eco-friendly packaging to minimize waste and reduce its carbon footprint. Beyond sustainability, the company reinvests a portion of its profits into community-driven initiatives, such as funding education programs, planting trees, and supporting small businesses. This combination of purpose and playfulness makes Build Your Wolfpack Coffee a brand that customers can feel good about supporting. And that's what makes Build Your Wolfpack Coffee so special. From its bold brand personality and interactive marketing to its focus on community, personalization, and sustainability, every aspect of this company is designed to create a unique and meaningful experience for its customers. It's not just about coffee, it's about finding your pack, embracing your individuality, and making a positive impact along the way. So, the next time you're sipping on a delicious blend from Build Your Wolfpack Coffee, remember, you're part of something bigger. To learn more and join the movement, visit buildyourwolfpack.com. Together, let's continue to build stronger connections and brighter futures, one cup at a time.